Hi guys, Lena is here and this is a new episode of my makeup bag inspection. This is a little bit new format which I wanted to try to give you more video, faster video and more description. So I have my friend Julia with me and we're prepping her face with moisturizer today. Then I'm applying the Color Brow Gel on her brows. And now we're gonna laugh a little bit with her, and then we're gonna apply the light eyeshadows all over her eyelid and under the brow on both eyes to make a base for our eyeshadows, and darker shade on the center of her eyelid. And now I want to blend it out with a clean brush because those eyeshadows what she have is really pigmented. As you remember, this is not my makeup, so sometimes I'm not familiar with a product and sometimes I have to be really quick to figure out what to do in the current situation. My video takes a little retouch and I want to keep it as more real as it is. Now I apply the dark eyeshadows on her bottom lash line and blend it out with the same brush what I have with leftovers from the eyeshadow, and really fast applying a pencil on her lash line and then tap it out with the shadows to make it more deep in the color, because the eyeliner doesn't have a lot of pigment and it's the same as it's gonna keep eyeliner stay better. We're going with the eyeliner on her waterline and also applying gel for the eyelashes what she have. Also, I decided to put some golden eyeshadows on the center of her lid, and now I top it out the lashes with some mascara. All description of the products what I'm using is gonna be below this video. And now I'm applying the foundation really fast. I'm not a big fan of applying foundation with a brush. That's why I'm top it up with a sponge, which gives me a better application. For some reason my brushes always leaves me lines. That's why most of the time I'm applying my foundation and then I top it up with some sponge. So the foundation is pretty good. This is a Bobbi Brown liquid foundation. Really thin coverage, but it's really amazing, especially for her dry skin. Moisturizing before application, it helps a lot. But still my favorite foundation. And I'm getting some concealer under her eyes, which is Bobbi Brown too, I believe so. And then a little bit contouring with the same Bobbi Brown from the palette. You know, really good stuff. Bobbi Brown, one of my favorite brands, and I really like the philosophy of them. Bobbi Brown, that everyone's supposed to look pretty, natural, and we don't have to follow some sort of set standards. That's really cool to show people about them, all natural beauty. So really fast I'm applying a little bit a loose powder on the T-zone under her eyes to fix the concealer. Now a little more blushes. Really fast drawing her lips with a lip liner, and we gotta top it up with a lip gloss. That's it. Go ahead on the front and also applying some highlighter, really thin layer. Highlighter is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Nose, cheeks, cupid bone under the eyes. Really fast blending in, so no harsh lines. Like I say, lip gloss on the lips. Pretty cool. But then I look it up and it seems for me it's pretty light makeup, so to make it more smoky I decided to add some colors. So just in the lash line and outer corner I add some more eyeshadows, blend it in, and now beautiful demonstration. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for being here for me today. I really love your smile. You're the best friend. Thank you guys for watching.